Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Attio as your CRM, if you link your Google Calendar, you can easily check for any upcoming meetings without having to leave your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to link your Google Calendar, here on the top left, you're going to click on your workspace name. Next, you're going to click on account settings. After you do that, here on the left, you're going to click on email and calendar accounts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click here on connect Google account. Just so you know, this is going to connect your Gmail and also your calendar. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose which Google Calendar you want to connect. I'm going to choose the. Okay, once you do that, click on continue. Okay, after you do that, you want to go ahead and choose your permissions and then click on continue. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see my Google account is now linked to my Attio CRM. Now, if you want to check for any upcoming meetings, let me go back to the home page. Okay, once you do that, in order to check for upcoming meetings, you're going to click here on quick actions. And after you do that, click on view upcoming meetings. Now in this view, it's going to show any kind of upcoming meetings that you have on your Google Calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.